Alright, there's our 3 a.m. Update. 2 days to go. Nice and tired today. Here's what we've been working on last few days. I forget when the last video was, but front counter's clear. Geez, that never happens. A lot of stuff missing. Gaskets are gone. Still got a crap on the floor though, but different crap. So, getting pretty cleaned out. Back you can see. Over here it's normal. I have not started up here yet. Did a little work already. Had to do some panheads for a customer and a couple of little jobs I had to get done. But I think I got one more job to do, a set of rods, and that's it. So then I got to start moving all this area out, which I haven't got to yet. It's gonna be another week before I get into here. So haven't touched this aisle here too much yet, just right here. This is all my motor parts, so I'm gonna keep that to the end. Customer area is getting picked through pretty heavily, and I keep getting customers coming and want to buy stuff. I go, I got it, but it's not here. So got pissed in the rings left. But anyway, these shelves are all been emptied out. Been doing a lot of emptying on that side over there. So these are all emptied out. Still got some used parts left, but not much. Pretty much all emptied out. So I got to throw this in the truck. Cables. Keep forgetting what I'm doing. But it's getting pretty unfilled over on the other side. There's actually a whole shelf unit missing over there. The aisle was not 6 foot wide over here though. This whole row is gone. So not only are they empty, they're gone. These are ready to be gone. I knocked these down, but I'm too tired to do it. So got a bunch of boxes ready to go. Start filling up some more junk. So it's pretty empty all through here. All this stuff is gone. Get ready to knock this one out of here too. So like I said, it's over here. It's still pretty full, but been knocking stuff out. Cleared that all off today over there. Haven't got the race bike there yet. Made a little dent over here. Doesn't look like it's much different, but it's there's nothing underneath the shelves anymore, or benches. Those are full. They're not full no more. So we're working our way at the back. Knocked a little bit out of the back corner. Back here it's getting pretty emptied out. Been making a big dent back here today. Getting stuff off the floor so you can actually walk now. So I've been knocking down shelving back here and emptying out stuff. The box pile is dropping. It's not way up to the rafters up there anymore. We've been using boxes. This is the customer area through here. I gotta go through all that and sort it. Yeah, it's a mess. So I've been doing a lot of work back here, knocking this out. It's hard to tell, but there's two of these are not here no more. It used to be out this far. I just got done knocking those all down. Took out a bunch over here in the back row. Cleared off all these things. Cleared out everything that was underneath. Back in there, that's where the rat tire came from, rat rim. So these have all been emptied out now through here. Knocked down a bunch of shelves. Cleared off this workbench. Trailer is getting very filled up. Took a bunch of stuff out from over here. Cleared this all out. So getting going. So we extended the trailer by putting our 2 foot shelving up here. So that gives you another foot more of fill. Well, a little over a foot. I went 3 feet in a couple places, but I've been filling it up, so there's still room to put more stuff on the top there. I have to put some straps across here to hold it all down. So anyway, that's how you make your small trailer hold more. Put sides on it. Tires are starting to show some weight. So that means we're getting a good little load going. It's good. So there's a lot of stuff there. What am I walking on here? Looks like a rock. Sounds like a rock. Must have been a rock. So anyway, there you go. People keep asking about this bike back here. It's not mine. I can't sell it. Customer's bike. That's Billy's area. His bike, his rack. Can't buy it. Unless you give him lots of money, then he might sell it, but that's not my department. A couple days I might have to give it away though. It's in my area. We'll see if it's still here in 2 days. We do know it's going to be here in 2 days, don't you? I already know it. So, yeah, I got my workbench under here buried. Got to get it out. Got a few more wheels hidden under there that I haven't gotten yet. 45 stuff that got buried. And burying it. I can see it now, and I got to load on the trailer and get it out of here. So, anyway, that's what it looks like. We are slowly making progress. I got 2 more days to go. That'll be the weekend. So if anybody wants to come by and help, I'm here. So the SUV, which pulls the trailer, isn't very full. So we got to fill this up to the rafters before we leave. The S10 is broken and empty, but I still make loads back and forth to the house with it. You don't need 3rd and 4th gear when you're local. Up to 50 mile an hour, I'm still good. So we fill this thing up. Oh, there's the key. Good place for it. So this part's filled. Good thing I didn't lock it up with a key in it, huh? So this truck here, it's been full every night I've gone home, and I spend 2 to 3 hours unloading. It's a light load. Found another fork. I uncovered my 39 UL Springer fork. So I'm gonna go home. I think there's a windshield under here, so probably shouldn't be stacking heavy stuff on it like that on top of it. Probably not the best thing to be doing. Yeah, we'll put it over there. Yeah. Scratch the patina off of it. Alright, well that's ready to go home. We'll unload it tomorrow morning. So, anyway, a big table's gone too. That's what it looks like in here. So, there's your update. Got 2 days to go. Not going to make it. Guaranteed not going to make it. But we'll keep plugging away at it. So it's $150 a day penalty not getting out of here. So I'll be paying a few of those days. So unless I get more help, it'll probably be 1 to 2 more weeks to get out of here. But anyway, it's going. So all the dumbasses said I couldn't get out of here. You don't know me very well. I put my mind to something, I get it done. So still got some pistons left to buy. So oh well. All right, well, there's your update. Technically it's day 3 for me, but it's day 2 because it's 3 a.m. So, but I'll count this as day 3 in my video. So this is day 3. 2 more days to go. We'll give another update on the last day, see how far we got. But anyway, there you go. We're done.